Residential Society Question and Answer, Set 7.
Question 1. Does the SMC have the power and authority to take decision on providing share certificate based on the nature and behavior of the resident in residential society? Very short, clear and final answer. No, absolutely not. The Society Management Committee SMC has no power to decide whether to issue a share certificate based on a resident's nature, behavior, attitude, social participation, friendliness, gender, or living status. Why? Issuance of a share certificate is a statutory right, not a favor. What the SMC cannot use as reasons. Number 1. Personal behavior. Emotional expression. Complaints against SMC/watchmen. Not attending meetings. Not socializing. Living alone. Being inconvenient or non-cooperative. Raising legal or safety issues. So these are the reasons the SMC cannot put forward in front of you in order to not to give you the share certificate for the flat owner. Using behavior or nature as a basis is illegal, discriminatory, abuse of authority, registrar actionable misconduct. If SMC does this anyway, they expose themselves to registrar's penal action, directions under section 79, 79A, personal liability of office bearers, adverse remarks on record.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having a great connection.